Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin. Close your eyes and with your eyes comfortably closed, take all the places that are there in the room you are in and pull energy from the room. Exactly. Just like that. Don't go into your head. कैसे करना है? जैसे करा है exactly वैसे ही करना है. Pull energy from the room in through the front of you, through the pores of your body. Pull it in through every pore of your body. Good. And now pull it in from the back of you, through every pore of your body. And now pull it in from the sides of you, through every pore of your body. And now pull it in through the bottom of you, through every pore of your body, and pull it in from the top of you, through every pore of your body. And now you have energy coming in from everywhere, and money is just another form of energy. So turn it into money, coming in through every pore of you, from every direction. Notice if it has become less solid than earlier. Make it light, make it energy again, and you are receiving. And now make it money. Better. That is how you become money. You flow it in through every pore of your body. You don't see it coming from other people or space or work. You allow it to flow in. Just out of thin air. And now stop the flow from every part of your body. And now we wish you to flow energy out of the front of you as much as you can. Just flow it out, flow it out, flow it out, flow it out. Is your energy diminishing as you flow it out? No, it is not. Feel at the back of you. Energy is coming in as you flow out the front. So the more energy you flow out, the more energy flows in from the back of you. There is no end to energy. It continues to flow, as does money. Now pull energy into every pore of your body, from every place. Expand beyond the room and start pulling energy from your entire city, the entire country, the entire planet. And now turn it into money. You will begin to see money flying around, everywhere around you. Yes, it goes in and out and around and through. It continues to move. It is energy like you. It is you, you are it. There, like that. There is so much money all around you, flying around and in and out of you, through you and to you. All right, now stop the flowing. Now flow money, thousands and lakhs of rupees to everybody in this call. In from the front of you. Flow it out, flow it out, flow it out. Massive amounts of money. See them gaining massive amount of money. Flow it out, flow it out. Notice you are still pulling energy in the back. And if you allow, as much energy will come in the back as you flow out the front, and you are still doing it as money. This gives you an idea. When you think that you have money, the more money comes to you. And when you are grateful for others to have the money they have, and you are willing to flow energy to them for them to receive more money, you are by default gifted more money from the universe. You are receiving money from the back, as universe always has your back. And no matter how much money has gone out of you so far, there is still more coming to you. Just allow this energy flow to release all the blockages that may be there at the back of you that is stopping that flow to come in. So everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, knowingly or unknowingly, you stopped your money flow. Just destroy and uncreate all that and let the money flow in. How does it get even better? What else is possible? Take your time, and whenever you are ready, you can just open your eyes. Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation, and if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments. comments below. I would also like to hear from you what are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations. This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.